Hello, I am Dr. K. Misra. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel or classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on goods and services tax. This video tutorial is part 2 of goods and services tax. Question number 1. Composite tax is applicable for dealer with turnover up to A. Rupees 1 crore, B. Rupees 20 lakh, C. Rupees 1.5 crore, D. Rupees 10 crore. Here correct option is A. Rupees 1 crore. Question number 2. Under GST law, compensation cess is applicable on A. Luxury articles and demerit goods, B. All goods, C. Petroleum products and alcohol, D. Consumer products. The correct option is A. Luxury articles and demerit goods. 3. Goods high which get input tax credited without being liable to collect output tax is called A. Exempt goods, B. White goods, C. Sin goods, D. Zero rated goods. The correct option is D. Zero rated goods. 4. GST can be collected by A. Any registered dealer, B. Any GST dealer, C. Any service provider, D. Any dealer. Here correct option is B. Any GST dealer. 5. DAS confers powers to Government of India to collect tax on intra-state supply of goods or services or both. A. UTGST Act, B. IGST Act, C. CGST Act, D. SGST Act. Correct option is C. CGST Act. 6. Under GST law, aggregate turnover of a dealer A. includes taxes paid, B. excludes taxes paid, C. includes exempt supplies, D. turnover plus tax plus profit. Correct option is B. excludes taxes paid. 7. Under GST law, aggregate turnover of a dealer is determined A. state-wise, B. all India basis, C. shop-wise, D. none of these. The correct option is B. all India basis. 8. Under GST law, agriculturist means A. individual or Hindu undivided family only, B. individual only, C. any entity engaged in agricultural operations, D. anyone who sells agricultural produces. Here correct option is A. individual or Hindu undivided family only. 9. Business vertical refers to A. joint venture, B. different businesses within a group, C. competitors in business, D. none of these. Correct option is B. different businesses within a group. 10. Goods which are used or intended to be used in the course or furtherance of business are A. demerit goods, B. business goods, C. capital goods, D. none of these. Correct option is C. capital goods. 11. A person who occasionally undertakes transactions involving supply of goods or services or both in the course or furtherance of business is A. business person, B. casual taxable person, C. composite dealer, D. non-resident dealer. Correct option is B. casual taxable person. 12. Supply of two or more taxable supplies naturally bundled and supplied is called A. mixed supply, B. composite supply, C. common supply, D. continuous supply. The correct option is B. composite supply. 13. Goods are packed and transported with insurance, packing materials, transport and insurance. This is a case of A. mixed supply, B. composite supply, C. common supply, D. continuous supply. The correct option is B. composite supply. 14. Supply of goods provided or agreed to be provided continuously or on recurrent basis under a contract is A. mixed supply, B. composite supply, C. common supply, D. continuous supply. The correct option is D. continuous. 15. Indian Oil Corporation Ltd sends 10,000 liters of petrol every day to a petrol pump and invoices the same every week. This is a case of A. mixed supply, B. composite supply, C. common supply, D. continuous supply. Here correct option is D. continuous supply. 16. Any goods other than capital goods used or intended to be used by a supplier in the course or furtherance of business is A. input, B. output, C. merit goods, D. white goods. The correct option is A. Input. 17. Dash refers to receipt of goods or services or both, whether by purchase, acquisition or any other means, with or without consideration. Options are A. Outward supply, B. Inward supply, C. Taxable supply, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Inward supply. 18. Two or more individual supply of goods or services or any combination thereof made in conjunction with each other. A. Mixed supply, B. Composite supply, C. Common supply, D. Continuous supply. The correct option is A. Mixed supply. 19. A supply of a package consisting of canned foods, sweets, chocolates, cakes, dry fruits, aerated drinks and fruit juices when supplied for a single price is. Options are A. Common supply, B. Composite supply, C. Mixed supply, D. Continuous supply. The correct option is C. Mixed supply. 20. Any person who occasionally undertakes transactions involving supply of goods or services or both, but who has no fixed place of business or residence in India is. Options are A. Business person, B. Casual taxable person, C. Composite dealer, D. Non-resident dealer. The correct option is D. Non-resident dealer. 21. In the GST Council meetings, votes of all the state governments taken together shall have a weightage of A. 1/3 of votes cast, B. 1/2 of votes cast, C. 2/3 of votes cast, D. None of these. The correct option is C. 2/3 of votes cast. 22. Tax rate on goods under GST are determined by A. Union budget, B. State budget, C. GST Council, D. Central government in consultation with the state government. Correct option is C. GST Council. 23. Integrated Goods and Services Tax Act is applicable to A. all the states, B. all the union territories, C. the whole of India, D. all the states except Jammu and Kashmir. Correct option is C. the whole of India. 24. Integrated GST is applicable on goods or services. A. Imports, B. Interstate sale, C. Exported from India, D. Imports and interstate sales. Correct option is D. Imports and interstate sales. 25. The rate of IGST is equal to the rate of A. CGST, B. SGST, C. CGST plus the rate of SGST, D. SGST plus UTGST. Here correct option is C. CGST plus the rate of SGST. 26. Output tax of a taxable person. A. Includes reverse charge, B. Excludes reverse charge, C. Includes composite tax, D. Includes all the taxes paid. Correct option is B. Excludes reverse charge. 27. Supply of goods or services which constitutes the predominant element of a composite supply is called A. Common supply, B. Principal supply, C. Mixed supply, D. Continuous supply. The correct option is B. Principal supply. 28. Liability to pay tax by the recipient of supply of goods or services is called A. Output tax, B. Reverse charge, C. Input tax, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Reverse charge. 29. The chair of GST Council. A. Nominated by the government, B. Nominated by the GST Council, C. Union Finance Minister, D. Elected by the GST Council. Correct option is C. Union Finance Minister. 30. In the GST Council meetings, the vote of the central government shall have a weightage of A. 1/3 of votes cast, B. 1/2 of votes cast, C. 2/3 of votes cast, D. None of these. The correct option is A. 1/3 of votes cast. So this was all this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button so that you keep on getting notifications of further uploads, and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.